because some wishes can't wait for some days.
I've lost hope. I tried other products and could not lose weight. Nothing was working for me. Then I discovered the power of clinical strength Xenadrin, and I lost 35 pounds fast.
The patented triple-action technology burns calories, increases metabolism, and burns fat. The clinically proven key ingredients are so powerful your purchase is guaranteed.
Proof. The results are real. Xenadrin changed my life. It could change yours too.
Get it today at stores everywhere.
At Simmons Mattress Gallery, we know that a good night's sleep really matters to you. We have over 50 mattresses to choose from so that our factory-trained mattress professionals can help you select the right bed. You're going to sleep better on a Simmons mattress at Canada's best price.
And there we have it. That's the Coast Safe and Lock, made by Bohannennen. Has a double locking bar system, 5 pins, rather erratic cut, very high tolerances, and it doesn't seem to work with the key. Oh, there we go. It does work with the key. Interesting, there we go. So yeah, the Bohannennen Coast Safe and Lock. There's no securities in it, but very high tolerances. This lock is bypassable. I believe I bypassed it in a vid ways back. But there it is, SPP. So rate it if you enjoyed that. Peace, have fun. Get your tools at uklockpickers.co.uk, and don't use this information for illegal purposes.